Hi guys, it's me Tyler. I just wanted to do a video on my new BMX bike. I just wanted to say thank you to Nikita BMX Girl. Go follow her on Instagram. So let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to start from the front and move our way to the back. We're going to start with the grips. These are 165mm Odyssey grips. We got the Scotty Kramer Jackson Snap 2 bars. I like them a lot. They're 8.6 inch rise. So we got an Odyssey Path Pro BMX tire. Like it a lot, feels good. I got about 70 PSI in there. We also got the Odyssey Hazard Light front wheel in there too, so add a little more Odyssey. We also have the Odyssey R32 front fork to make it feel a little bit better on hips and jumps and spines, like as you can see right over there. What else? Oh, we got a Stranger stem. It's black with trippy dippy bolts, also known as oil slick. You know. We also got an Odyssey headset in there, and I changed the dust cap to a Salt Plus, an oil slick, and what else? We also got a, okay, so let's move on to the complicated part, which is the brake system. We got an Odyssey gyro in here for doing bar spins, so it doesn't get tangled up, and it looks cleaner in my opinion. Okay, let's move back a bit. Oh wait, let's talk about the frame real quick. This is a 20.25 Mongoose Frame. I just want to say thanks to Nikita again for giving me it. Go follow her at Nikita BMX Girl. She's awesome. What else? Oh, okay, cranks and stuff. But first we're gonna do the seat. We got a Demolition Kevin Perez seat. Feels really good. I like it a lot. We also got a, oh, it's also a pivotal, by the way. We got a BSD seat post. Not that important, it's just a seat post. Alright, we got Primo Churchill cranks. They feel really good. They're 165mm, so it's better for spinning and stuff. Okay, so we got these Odyssey plastic pedals that feel really good. So I can get my feet back on with the can and 1-footers and no-footers and, you know, the usual. Okay, we got an Odyssey 25 tooth chain ring with this choice of sticker on there. They come with this one, obviously, another one that's red, and a donut one. The next one I'm gonna run is the donut one. Okay, what else? We got another Odyssey Path Pro tire for you know, get more tire. 70 PSI, same as the front. Okay, we got an Odyssey Hazard Light back wheel with the free coaster. So this one, so you don't have to pedal back while doing fakies, as you can see. See, my cranks don't move. And that's about it. That's pretty much the old BMX bike, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this bike check video. Leave some comments down below and be sure to subscribe. Peace.